Somewhere in this building, a treasure waits to be found. A treasure that opens a window onto everyday life in the ancient past. Every day, thousands of people will pass it by. And leave without even seeing it. It forms part of the British Museum's cornucopia of treasures. Once the most popular game in the ancient world, played by kings and commoners alike. And I came to find it. The royal game of Ur. As soon as I heard about this game, I became obsessed with playing it. Hoping that by solving the problems that it presented to the ancients, the barrier of time might evaporate. This is how you can make it. Using some card, make practice grids and use the best as a template. First in pencil and then in pen, draw your board onto the canvas bag. I made the board as close to the size of the original as possible, but you can experiment if you like. Once the grid is laid out, copy the original designs into the boxes. Using Colorfast or calligraphy ink, paint the board with your brushes. Experiment a little, separately, to get a feel for how the ink flows and absorbs. Mine ended up like this. Take your time. I spent a few afternoons on mine. Ink doesn't give second chances. Take a pinch of clay. I used a penny as a rough size guide. Flatten the clay over the penny and mold to size using the end of a paintbrush or pencil. The game of Ur was not mass-produced, and so I didn't mind if my pieces were overly neat. I made more than double the 7 pieces I needed, and experimented with size and depth. Indent your pieces with spots for decoration. To make the tetrahedron dice, roll a ball of thumb-sized clay between your hands. Pinch it into a 3-sided cone using your index, middle finger and thumb. Then press the bottom and sides flat. Paint the pieces and dice with at least 3 coats of acrylic paint before adding details. I've played a few games using Irving Finkel's rules, and it works a treat. Deceptively simple, but great fun. You won't regret the effort. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Drop me a line on social media if you make your own version. And if you have any questions, please comment below. Until the next time, never stop learning, never stop exploring, and I'll see you again for another adventure in Historyland.